Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WPForms integrations to update CRM automatically. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up WPForms integrations to update your CRM automatically, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WPForms plugin located in the sidebar. Select Add New to create a new form or choose an existing form to edit. Name your form and select a template that suits your needs. Use the drag and drop builder to add the necessary fields to your form. Once your fields are set, navigate to the Settings tab on the left side. Click on Integrations to see the list of available integrations. Find and select your CRM from the list of available integrations. If prompted, click on Authorize to connect your CRM account. Follow the steps to authorize WPForms to access your CRM data. Return to the Form settings and proceed to the Marketing tab. Choose the integration you just set up from the available options. Map the fields in your WPForms to the corresponding fields in your CRM. Make sure to save your changes frequently. Once all fields are mapped, click Save to finalize the integration settings. You may choose to set up notifications if your CRM supports them. Test your form thoroughly to ensure information is correctly sent to your CRM. Finally, publish your form on your website by embedding it where you want it to appear. Your WPForms is now successfully integrated with your CRM for automatic updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.